one way to get some more production.
Okay, well, we are here at French Creek pretty early. We couldn't leave as early as we wanted to, though, because we had to charge the battery from our car. But for this video, the plan is Coho, Coho, and more Coho. For the next 2 days, we're gonna be 2 full days. We're gonna be driving around with the kayak and float tubes to a few different beach spots, and we are gonna be chasing a hatchery coho. That is the goal of this video. But even if we don't get that, I will be more than happy if we get some good wild ones as well. I've got a fish here. It feels pretty good. Dad, this fish is fighting snag.
Oh, yeah?
Genuinely. I think, or no, I could be completely wrong, but I don't know. He's fighting really weird. No, he's not snag. He's just fighting super weird. No! No! Oh. Yeah, funny. I don't know. And also, one thing I was thinking about, oh, perfect cast. I just cast right past him. Look at that. Go on. Go on. No, he's off. No. No. Oh. Really? Dad had one on the fly rod. Yeah, that's a good one right there. That is a good one right there. Oh, that's a giant. That's like almost 10. That was a big one. And that's the perfect cast. Give me one. Give me a fish. Yeah, that's what I mean. That one was giant. That was like almost 10. Well, I did not land anything at French Creek this morning, but I did have 2 good ones on. One that I almost landed, and another one that I lost quite quickly, so I don't know what it was. But we are here actually at the same little bay that we found in the last video, or one of the last videos. But I'm gonna give it a try here and possibly walk around the corner and explore a bit. Wow, there is so many fish right in front of me. I can't believe one of these things isn't taking. They're in such shallow water too. They're literally tailing on the surface. Oh, that was a big one. I just had a big one. Oh my God. I can't believe I missed that. I just saw it. I just had a hit and saw a giant swirl behind it. It's made. Oh my God. I just made like the fastest retrieve cast I possibly could. Literally, it skipped along the surface like halfway out, and right in front of me, a fish hit it, a big one, and he made like a boil literally like 6 feet wide. There was a bear about 2 minutes ago that grabbed a salmon off the opposite bank right there. Yeah, you were like literally 2 minutes too late. It just walked off. The seal is right in front of me. Get out of here. That scared him. That's a seal. Those wave noises you hear and that waves crashing on the opposite shore you hear is a seal. And there he is, with a fish. He got a fish. That's kind of a silver fish, actually. Yeah, it is. And I've got a stick or something here. I've got a stick, I think. Wait, is that a fish that I've got? What is this? It's a pink and it bit. It's a zombie pink that bit. I have never hooked a fish this old that bit, and that's not flossed. That's not flossed on the outside of the mouth. That is a pink that bit. And there he goes. No! That was a coho. I lost it. That was a coho on the spinner. 100%. Oh my god. Come on, just say something, anything. I'll clip it together. If it's bad, I'll make it good. Just go ahead. Say you watch the videos.
I watch. Okay, no.
He's nervous. He found me through my YouTube channel and saw me out fishing here, so we're out fishing Coho together.
Yeah.
And we're having fun, right?
Yeah.
There we go.
Huh.
Well, we are here at French Creek. It's the second day of fishing this weekend. Yesterday, I had a lot of close calls and good fish on that I just couldn't land and couldn't have on long enough even for a lot of them to see what they were. I really wish I knew what that fish was in the puntledge last night. That had to be a coho, and I've never landed a coho in the puntledge before, so I really wanted that fish. Anyway, though, we are gonna give most of the same spots a second try today. And we're starting off with French Creek here. We're not here amazingly early, but we're here. And apparently no one else is, so we've got the spot to ourselves. Oh. I just had a bite. I just had a strike on the Fire Tiger spoon right in front of me. No, I just lost one. Oh my god. I just saw one jump just at like the bare extent of my casting distance. Made a good cast, did a real fast retrieve, and got one on the Fire Tiger spoon that I lost. That sucks. Well, there goes my Fire Tiger spoon. I just cast that thing off into the sunset. My leader apparently decided to snap. I don't even know how it snapped. It snapped below the blood knot somehow. Maybe there was some fraying there or something, but there goes my Fire Tiger spoon that I hooked a fish on this morning that I also wanted to use at that spot from yesterday where we saw all the big schools of fish jumping that just wouldn't bite anything of anyone's lures. And I wanted to use it there because it's so different. Because the really non-bitey fish there that have been fished for every single day by a bunch of people might be more likely to bite something that is weird. That sucks. Sorry? Hammered copper spoon. Yeah. That's not so good. Get away from those rocks, buddy. Oh, that is awful. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, that is wild.
Well done. I lost one just about the same size. Straight up from Coho.
There they are.
There's some jumpers.
Oh, yeah. Dad's got one on right now. He says it's big. And one just jumped right beside me here. All right, buddy, let's get you unhooked. It is a... Yeah, it's a pretty good one. Thought it was smaller at first. Oh yeah, big adipose fin, definitely wild, and he does not want to be landed. Got it. There we go. Whoa, okay. There he goes. Beauty.
Yeah, that is a good one. That's probably why I landed.
Not right now, no. That guy had one though. And my dad landed one as well. And there's one. Whoa. Beauty. He even has a bit of color. And maybe even a bit of a hooked jaw. Don't let him get tangled in your legs. Yeah, he's got the hook jaw and a little bit of color and everything. It's a nice male. I think I've seen the adipose fin. Maybe. Well, that's exactly what I want him to do. Tire himself out so he doesn't go nuts in the shallows. Yeah. No, I'm still not even 100% sure. It's really tiny. Buddy. Not for you. Not for you. There he is. Just a beautiful wild buck. And the dogs are trying to eat it. And the hook is out. There he is. Beautiful buck. There he goes. Hell yeah. About a 6-pound wild buck. Really pretty fish. Pink colors, all that, great condition. Nice little hook jaw. You all right? Oh, Dad, big one jumped there, the 15. God, I just turned the camera off and I just hooked this giant. I've got like an 8-10 pounder on. I literally clicked the camera off 2 seconds ago and I hooked this thing. Oh, it's big. It's big. Oh my God. I don't know what the hell is gonna happen here. Oh, big. Yeah, it's like 10. No, there he goes. Oh my God. Oh my God, that was insane. I moved out to this point here and literally first cast, that giant just hammered it right after I clicked the camera off. That was a big fish. That was like easily 10. That might even have been the giant, like 15-pound thing I've been seeing jump around, but I don't know. No! No, oh my God. I've been following this one big fish. It's been a while since I hooked that last like 10 pounder and we're quite a ways further down the beach. I've been following this one big fish for like a few hundred meters and I've seen it jump 4 times. He's probably 8-10 pounds. and I just saw him jump right in front of me. And about 2 minutes after that, I got a giant strike just now. That definitely could have been that big fish. Oh my God. I've got no idea what it is yet. I think it might be a coho. Really can't tell. It's right beside me and I still can't tell. He definitely bit though. I think it might be a small, older Chinook, actually. I think it might be oh, there he goes. I think it wasn't silver, but it bit. And it was about 4 or 5 pounds. It might have even been like a Jack Chinook. Yeah, I think I am too. Whoa, that is definitely something that bit. Yeah, get the net. Jesus, that thing hammered it. You know, it looks the exact same as the last thing. It looks the exact same as the last thing. It's like 4 pounds. It's small, or it's like not bad condition, but it's brownish. I don't know what this is. Might even be a pink. Or a small Chinook. I don't know. Whatever it is, it's not bad condition. Get him. Don't fall in.
I do believe that's a spring.
Yeah, it's a Chinook. Well, that is a Chinook that is a hell of a lot fresher than most of the other ones that are around here, but he's not silver. So I don't know. I mean, we could keep it. I don't know.
You have to.
There he is. Have a look at that Chinook.
The gums are white.
That is a pretty cool fish. Hey, Dad, fish. Get the net. This feels bigger, yeah. Might be a coho. What it is. Ah, it's a big old Chinook that bit the spinner. Yeah. I was hoping one of these guys wouldn't go for it, but I'll take it. It's like he literally doesn't even know he's hooked. Like he's just sitting there swimming in the current with this and me pulling it like the maximum my rod can do. Oh, there he goes. That's good. That's good.